9 Spanish Colonial homes and their trademark characteristics. When we talk about Spanish colonial architecture, it is essential to point out that there are two distinctive types. The original style that originated in Spain in the 1500s, and the revival-style houses that started popping up in North America during the early 20th century. Here is a gorgeous example of the latter. It belongs to Carol Marcotte, the interior designer behind the firm form and function. Here white bricks were used instead of the traditional white stucco. Simple red shutters lend an old-world feel. Note the arch entrances and windows. Both are hallmarks of the aesthetic. Marcotte spent 17 years renovating the home both inside and out. Take a peek at the interior next. During the renovation, Marcotte expanded the home's Spanish motif. Homes like hers typically have one or more partially enclosed rooms, called loggias, that open to a garden or yard. This one is a new addition. Architectural features include a fireplace and several arches that connect the outdoor room to the gorgeous backyard. Note the exposed wood beams on the ceiling. This is another common feature spotted in Spanish colonial revival architecture. Private courtyards and gardens are staples of the classic Spanish colonial house. Here Form LA Landscaping designed a lush, leafy native garden to complement this revival home's distinctive architecture. The tree canopy softens the asymmetrical structure while providing a nice contrast to the red roof tiles. Additional greenery including coffeebearer shrubs and California lilacs add a layer of privacy directly behind the wrought iron fence. Both terracotta and colorful tile flooring are usually standard features in Spanish revival homes both indoors and outdoors. Form LA Landscaping planted delicate blue ceanothus shrubs to match the vibrant tile on the stairs leading to a side entrance. Spanish colonial architecture is widespread in California. Why? Maybe it is because of the style's relaxed vibe. This example is a relatively new construction owned by interior designer Erica Frank. Her father, an architect, built it. The home has the classic style's thick walls and arches throughout. The stucco covering the exterior is a shade called Santa Barbara, a slightly grayish white. On the roof is a prominent feature for many Spanish colonial homes, red barrel tile. They are usually made of a ceramic or concrete, making them a better fit for warm weather climates. The landscaping is also suited for the California weather. All of the plants are also drought resistant. Juliet balconies add drama and old-world flair to this Spanish colonial mansion renovated by Justin Christen, the founder of Stonehurst Construction based out of Los Angeles. They also boost home enjoyment by merging the interior spaces with a gorgeous backyard. Spanish colonial homes come in all sizes. Here is a modestly sized example remodeled by Stonehurst Construction. The exterior includes a paver-style brick driveway that lends a Mediterranean flavor to the compact abode. Note the wood slat partitions, as they enhance privacy while hiding unattractive features like the AC compressor. What was the top objective for Tracy Lynn Studio when remodeling this mid-century ranch home? They had to merge the client's love of contemporary style with the structure's original Spanish influence. Regional vegetation set the stage for the long loggia, a front porch that runs the length of the home and functions as an outdoor room for year-round enjoyment. Note the red mulch, which matches the red barrel roof tiles. Another trick that further modernized the home's exterior is the paint color. Instead of sticking to a creamy white shade of stucco, the designer selected a warm pale gray tone for the home. Tracy Lynn Studio solved another stylish problem for a different homeowner also living in a Spanish colonial-inspired house. Rebuilding this fireplace to suit this home's exterior style was a huge splurge that paid off big. Spanish tiles and a concrete mantle, made to look like wood, completed the look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.